Here's how to add a collection on Facebook. Launch the Facebook app on your device. In the top left corner, tap on the hamburger menu icon. At the top, tap on your profile name. This opens your profile page. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner. Select Archive from the menu. At the top left, tap on Story Archive. Select a story you want to add. Tap the highlight icon in the bottom right. Then tap Add More. Pick additional stories or camera roll images if you want. Once done, tap on Next. You can give your collection a meaningful name. After that, tap on the cover photo at the top. This lets you set a different cover photo for the collection. Finally, tap on Done. Now go back to your profile page. If you scroll down a little, you can see the newly created collection. You can open it and look at all the highlights. And that's it.